Hello everybody, how are you? If you want to display how many times your blog post has been read by your visitor, if you want to count your post view on your WordPress front-end site and in the backend also, so this tutorial is for you. And if you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. We can make a professional WordPress website for you. So we are going to on our dashboard and then add a plugin. So click on add new. Then we have to search a plugin name post view counter. You will see a lot of plugins, but make sure you have installed this plugin post view counter by Digital Factory. Installed, and now simply activate. After that you will see a new options under settings. Here can you see post view counter? So open it. You can see the all post also. You will see a new option here. This is the views of your post actually. So if we view the post, and this is our post. Now reload here. Can you see our post view is 1 because earlier I have visited this post, so our post view is 1. So it's already working, but we are going to change some setting or showing what type of options there are. So if you click here, then you will see some options. Post types count. If you want to count post view for pages, then you can check pages. Pages is okay, but for now we are keeping only post. Counter mode you can change it, but PHP is okay. Post view columns, all the default settings are okay. Then you can see here flash object text interval. This also keep 0 and exclude visitors. So robots, logged in users, guests, selected user roles. If you want to remove any post view, I mean if you don't want to count this type of users, if view your post, then the post view count will not work. So you can select logged in user, then if any logged in user visit your post or view your post, then it will not count. So we are not checking any user role. And exclude IPs. Can you see some moments ago I have visited this post, but showing 1. My post I am visiting, I am viewing, then it's also counting. So if you want to see the accurate view, then you have to exclude this IP because I am the owner of the site. If I visit the post and if count here, then it's really not good. So we are going to exclude my IP. So if you want to see your IP, then you have to type just what is my IP. Then this is my IP, and then exclude this IP. Exclude means this IP will be blocked. Then all is okay and save changes. Then if you view post 100 times, the post view count will not work for this IP. Okay, so we are going to check, reload, and it's still 1. So this is really very important to get accurate data. And then display post view labels you can change, and position you can change after content. If you want this will show before the content, then you can select before the content, and by default it's after the content. That's why it's showing here. You can change the post view label I mean this label post views, suppose views. Then if you want to change this icon, can you see here the icon? This is the icon. Then you can change the icon, suppose dash icon you have to select, then click there and select any icon. And now if you save changes, then the post view label will be show as views, and this icon will be shown before the label. So this is the things. Actually this is very simple things. In this way you can display your post view on your any blog post or on your any pages. So thank you, and it's to it RBN Solutions, and please subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, you don't need to pay. So please subscribe our channel. It will be huge for us. Thank you.